Recipe for making fruit salad with berries with all the nutrition benefits of it. Ingredients: 1 cup strawberries, hulled and sliced. 1 cup blueberries. 1 cup raspberries. 1 cup blackberries. 1 cup grapes, halved. 1 cup diced pineapple. 1 banana, sliced. Fresh mint leaves, optional, for garnish. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the fruits: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, grapes, pineapple, and banana. Squeeze the lemon juice over the fruits to prevent them from browning and add a refreshing flavor. Gently toss the fruits together until they are well combined. If desired, garnish the fruit salad with a few fresh mint leaves for added freshness. Serve immediately, and enjoy. This fruit salad with berries is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Here are some of the nutritional benefits you can gain from the ingredients. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, folate, and dietary fiber, which can promote heart health, boost the immune system, and support digestion. Blueberries. Blueberries are known for their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. They are also a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. Blueberries are believed to improve brain function, support heart health, and promote healthy digestion. Raspberries. Raspberries are a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber. They contain antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar control. Blackberries. Blackberries are rich in vitamins C and K, manganese, and dietary fiber. They also provide antioxidants that can protect against cellular damage and support digestive health. Grapes. Grapes are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants like resveratrol. They may contribute to heart health, brain function, and immune system support. Pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. It also contains antioxidants that promote healthy skin and boost the immune system. Banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. They provide energy, support heart health, and aid digestion. By enjoying this fruit salad regularly, you can benefit from the combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber found in these delicious fruits. Remember to use fresh and ripe fruits for the best flavor and nutritional value.